Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a portfolio in your LinkedIn profile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to our LinkedIn app and make sure to sign in. Once we sign in, click onto our user profile. And now once you're on your profile page, we're going to have an option to add a section. So go ahead and click on Add Section button. Then on this page, go ahead and click on Recommended, little drop down menu, and then go ahead and click on Add Feature. So then from here, this is what you can show what you're proud of. So features your best articles, post documents, photos, websites, videos, presentations, portfolios, etc. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on that plus icon, top right hand corner of the page of this page, and then we've got a few different options here. Now, simply, choose what you want to add. So you can add a post if you've posted a portfolio content before, or you can add an article if you've written one on LinkedIn, or you can add a link for an external portfolio, website, Dribbble, etc. Or we can go ahead and even add media. So you can upload PDFs, images, videos, or presentations. And then from here, just fill in any required info like title and description if uploading media or entering a link. Tap save or done to publish it to your profile.